In this video, I'll be showing you how to force restart iPhone without the touchscreen. It's a complete tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.
Now, there's a few methods to go ahead and restart your iPhone. And the first one is, let's say you don't want to use your buttons because they might not be working. What you can do is go over to your settings, scroll down until you find general. Once you click general, scroll down again, and you're going to see shutdown as one of the options. So when you press that, it's going to ask you to slide to power off. So then you can literally just slide all the way to the right, and then it's going to power off. Once it's power off, it's going to have a complete black screen. And then all you want to do is go ahead and hold down your power button. You're going to see the Apple logo come up again. But now let's say that your iPhone is like completely frozen. It could be on an application or it could be on the home screen. And you want to go ahead and force restart it. So you can use the buttons. So now all I want to go ahead to do to force restart it is just hold down my power button like this. And then I'm going to see like Apple Intelligence in the background and stuff. Just go ahead and completely ignore that and just keep holding it down. Once I hold it down for long enough, as you can see, it's not completely black yet because there's the top, but now it had that little loading screen, and now it's basically done a restart. So it's completely turned off now, and now all I want to do if I want to go ahead and turn it back on is literally just go ahead and hold down my power button. I don't have to hold down my volume up or volume down. Just go ahead and hold down the power button. And then after like a few seconds, as you can see, the Apple logo now appears and it's going to be turning on again. So anything that was broken or anything that, was frozen or anything like that, that's going to be completely fixed now, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.